Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Cheap Lazy Naturals. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do one of my favorite hairstyles, which is a high puff. I have different variations of these high puffs, and I realized that I haven't shown you guys enough videos on it. So I'm going to be showing you guys one of my styles, starting out in a fresh twist out. So this is a twist out that I did using the Girl Boss product to achieve this awesome twist out using the Girl Boss products. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be using my little scrunchie. It's like a longish scrunchie, a long version of a scrunchie. This baby here. I'm also gonna be using some oils just so I can get that shine. I'm here for shine, sheen. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my hair. And then I'm gonna be using my Iso Plus favorite gel. So here I'm just combing it up nicely. So I'm gonna be doing a more of a in your face. Guys, I think we should coin that. This is gonna be the in your face. It's actually pajama. This is gonna be called the in your face high puff. So I'm gonna take some gel and I'm just gonna go in the back. So I'm using this gel. You might have seen this in most of my videos. It's like so affordable. I found it in Clicks. It costs like less than 40 bucks. Probably one of the cheapest edge controls. And no, it's not for everyone, to be quite honest. I know a few people that don't really love it. My only problem is that if you guys know of a good edge control that really has been working for you for a while, please leave that in the comment below. Like, I really want to try out a new gel, edge control gel, but if I find something, right, and it's giving me flakes, I'm gonna be so upset because a lot of the edge controls are quite expensive, if we're being honest. So I only want to spend the coins if I know that it's gonna be good. So please help your girl out and leave a comment. Leave a name of a really good edge control that you've been using. Try it and test it. Not something that you just trying to figure out if it works. And I will take out the 200 bucks or the 100 and something that is needed to purchase it. I'll do it if you guys can convince me. If you can convince me that there is a good gel out there that is worth my coins, I will do it. Because I don't always do my edges, okay? But when I do, like, sometimes if I'm being lazy, I feel like edges can really make or break some hairstyles, especially a lazier, or you know, if your braids are on the older side of life. I tend to just like use gel so that they look nice and cute, and I don't have to take them down as quickly. That's my one of my lazy tips, guys, that you absolutely do not have to follow. Do you, boo? Always do you. So yeah, so pretty much this is how I do it. And then we want to start from the back because, like I said, we're doing an in your face one. So when you get to this point, you're gonna use a hairpin. So I've been loving these pins. Can you see them? Yeah, because they're so easy to use. So I get here and then I'll pull it up a little bit more, and then I'll just put this going towards the back. And then what it does is that it holds my scrunchie in place. So I'll do that on both sides, and then I'll also do it in front because, like I said, okay, so I'm gonna go first to the back. It's very loose. And that's the other thing, guys. If you want to be a person that rocks high puffs all the time, make them loose so that they're not constantly pulling out your edges. Because on this channel, we're trying to keep our edges, girl. We ain't playing. We do not play. We don't play at all. Okay, so in the back, I'm gonna put in a normal one. So I want it to be nice and secure. Because it's loose, it's gonna tend to want to come out, honestly, in the back. So this is what we do, what we do, what we do. Then we are just gonna fluff. And we want them to be face. So so I'm just gonna a little bit from the roots. This is, I guess, the equivalent of picking. So I'm not the biggest fan of picking. I just sort of massage and do this type of method. Just put the hand picking method. Picking using your hands. And then you just want to like sort of bring this one to the front. I also did a video on an old twist out where I did a bang. I did an actual bang, so I'll also link that here. And then you can go ahead and check it out. But this is the whole style. We're done. And then what I will do is go ahead with a bit more gel. So yes, I am being a little on the generous side here with this gel. But that's because I know. Guys, I really just find sleep. Okay, we're good. Thanks. We're good. I'm just gonna bring this more closer, like, when you're blind. Guys, I'm blind and to struggle out here. I hope you can still see. These edges need to be laid. And the layer of edges. Where there's layer of edges. And we're just gonna touch up the other sword. This is a slay edges kind of day. Yeah. So why does that look like that? Okay, that's fine. So this is where we are. Edges be laid. Edges be laid. So this is what the edges look like. And then I'll probably just go in on the back with the comb so it stands out a little bit. Because I feel like it's weird. Do you guys agree? Is it weird? You know, your front edges are like front edges. Your edges are slaying it, but your nape is just like crusty. I'm just like, thank you. Okay, so this is the style. It's a little poofy here on this side. You can always just pull that in like that. Yeah. But the main thing is that, you know, you want it to be like in the middle. So this is the jazz, guys. So what I'm gonna do is tie this little scarf on my edges, probably wait like 30 minutes while I get ready before I head out of the house, and then the style is finished. Hope you guys enjoyed the style. Let me know what your favorite high puff is. I know you can do it like to the side, to the back, yada yada yada. Are puffs your faves? Do you do them tight? Do you do them loose? I would advise loose puffs because edges. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel to Cheap Lazy Naturals. Hit the notification bell so that you're part of the notification gang. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you. Love you. Ta-da.